welcome to another video. So, another trip video. Today is, ano ba ngayon? February 13. Tomorrow is 14, Valentine's. So, punta tayong Pansol. Originally, the plan was this one. Yung Range Rover, I wanted to bring it to Laguna. Laguna, Pansol is the hot spring capital of the Philippines. Maganda kasi doon dahil puro thermal yung mga resort doon, geothermal, hot spring, because the area lies just at the foot of Mount Makiling, no? So, volcanic activity. So, ito sana dadaling ko para makagawa tayo ng trip video with this Range Rover. I've been driving this car lately for the past week. Kaya dala ko ng office. So, subok na subok na yan. 2 hours traffic, EDSA traffic, Skyway traffic, GR Araneta traffic, 40 kilometers back and forth. Such a beautiful car. Kaya buong buo na yung loob ko dito. Very reliable. I'm very confident. That's why sana, I was hoping, ito dadali namin papuntang Pansol. Pansol is just 60 kilometers away from here, Libis. 2 hours drive probably. Traffic kasi sa Manila Road no? SLEX doon. Kaya lang the problem, as you know, this is only a 5-seater. Kasya naman kami. Dalawang yaya, si Anika, tatlo, si Bunso, nakakandong, si Mrs. dito. But the problem is this back. Wala kasing space, maliit. As I've said, si Mrs. medyo heavy packer. So, hindi magkakasya talaga yung gamit dito. Kawawa lang masikip. Baka magasgas pa. So, some other time, gawa na lang tayo ng some video with this Range Rover. Gawa tayo ng mas malapit na trip siguro. Yung less things. So, sobrang ganda i-drive niyan. Twin turbo, diesel, very reliable, air suspension. The car is for sale. Anybody? Sino may gusto? 1.5, 50,000 kilometers. Sana walang bumili para I could still use it, no? It's been with me for 1 week yata. So again, balik tayo dito sa big boy natin. Last video na nagawa natin was the anong trip pa yun? Tagaytay trip, the Highlands and the Canyon Woods. And you guys enjoyed the trip, that video. Kahit mahaba, apologize. Kasi 3 days yun, dami natin pinuntaan. So humaba siya ng almost 50 minutes. But then you guys still watch. Ang dami nag-subscribe. Salamat, ang daming bago. More than 50 subscribers nag-subscribe because of this car, because of that trip. That was the best Tagaytay trip we've had kasi sa weather and sa mga lugar na pinuntahan natin. So thank you so much for watching. Ang daming nahihilang bagong subscriber ng coaching to. Thank you for watching. Thank you, na-appreciate yung coaching to because I love this car so much. It's very reliable and my family depends on this car wherever we have a long trip like today. So, binilan ko na rin siya ng LED bulbs from Rocky. Ito, less than 3,000 pesos, 20,000 lumens, 100 watts ata to. Sobrang lakas. Ang ganda ng bato nito. May Pajero has this one. The 124 has this one. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako dito. Ang lakas. Value for money. LED lights. When I search, tagal kasi ito, halogen pa siya. Halogen yan. So, ang pangit pa ng bato. Old school na old school luma. So, I want to upgrade the look, lalo na sa gabi. Para lang mas mukhang modern, no? Kasi kung naka-LED light, nagmumukhang modern yung auto. And to make it more brighter sa gabi. Kasi my family is using this one. I'm driving this one. Long trips. So, for safety na rin, no? According to AI, H13. So, I told Rocky, H13. Ito, H13 siya. So, papakabit natin. Kasi may maintenance ako nakaschedule dito. Dahil ang requirement nito is every 6 months, palit ka ng oil. So, after this trip, papachange oil natin. Bili tayo sa kasa, balik tayo kay GRC, tapos pakabit natin to. Hopefully, mag-match silang dalawa. No? Kasi, as I've said, this year, magagamit natin to. Dahil si Bunso, pwede na lumabas, so malalabas na namin. So this will be our second trip for this year, March. Today is the best time to go to Pansol, to Laguna, kasi malamig pa hanggang ngayon. So since it's hot spring, masarap maligo. And yung resort kasi ng brother-in-law ko nandun, nagaya siya. So libre naman. Maganda yung resort. I'll tour you later. Pero you've guys been there. Nakita nyo naman na yun. Pero for the new subscribers, yan, pakita ko sa inyo yung resort sa Pansol, Forbes pangalan, tas right across is Laguna Bel Air. Maganda. So it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon Friday. Paalis na tayo. Update ko kayo later. 3 o'clock, paalis na tayo sa bahay. Ito namang hinahabol ng oras. Situation check muna, syempre. Ano ang itsura sa likod? As you can see, daming gamit. So lahat ng gamit nandyan. So this is the reason ba't di namin binibitawan tong almost 20-year-old na van na to. It's because of the space. Dahil wala ka na makukuha ang sasakyan na ganito kalaki. No? Ang Grandia, hindi ganyan kalaki. Sa loob, sa space. Ang Starix, lalo na mas maliit ang trunk space noon. Siguro I think the next best bet would be the Suburban or Expedition EL or extra long, no? Siguro lang, I'm thinking. Kasi before, I was thinking of replacing this one. Kasi nga medyo nalumaan na rin ako sa kanya, to be honest. But, wala nga akong mahanap na kapalit. Dahil yung space talaga. Yan ang binibili mo dyan, no? First start for you. Last time we drove this, yung bumalik tayo coming from Tagaytay. So that was January 24, 25. Tapos ngayon lang ulit. Today is February 13. So mga 2 weeks. So yung gas na yan pa yung gas natin ng Tagaytay trip last time. Half dati yan. More than half yung pinagas natin. So madami pang natira. So ngayon konti na lang ang i-add natin na gas. Dahil malapit lang naman ang Pansol. Siyempre, we have the U-Green here. Thank you U-Green. Ito talaga kuha kayo nito. Dahil napaka-helpful. Ang ganda ng hindi lumuluwag. No? Tapos maliit lang siya. Magnet type. Alright, so let's head over. Pagasan tayo ulit sa Shell. Tapos dire-diretso na. Wala na sigurong stopover. Kasi 3 o'clock na rin. So for this year, nakaka 263 kilometers na tayo. This year. So every year nire-reset ko yan. Para makita ko yung usage niya within the year. So this car, 71,000 kilometers. Batang-bata. Itong kotse na nga na to, mura na lang sa marketplace. 400,000, 500 high, 300 low. Tapos puro low mileage kasi hindi siya ginagamit. Kaya murang-mura. No? Wala na kasi stock production na to. Alright. 2 hours, 60 kilometers. Thank you, U-Green. Okay. The Android. Dire-diretso na tayo. Let's go. Divis, C5, traffic, Friday kasi. And sa 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So regular day. So that's the situation at the back. The usual. Puno. So dire-diretso, magpagasa tayo dun sa S-Lex na lang. May Shell naman dun. Para mas maluwag. Dahil medyo, it's quite a busy day today. Daming kasakayan. Valentine's is tomorrow. Happy Valentine's. So every year, as mentioned, bumabalik-balik kami doon sa Pansol kasi may resort na yung si brother-in-law at nag-aaya siya. Get together lang pa. And we are happy to go there once back again. Last year, ang dala natin yung Pajero. Bago pa yung Pajero na yun. Yung dinala ko papunta ron. Nauna sila misis that time. Tapos sumunod ako, dala ko yung Pajero. So this time, back with the E150. Welcome once again to S-Lex. Sarap, walang traffic. Kanina sa C5 na traffic tayo because it's Friday, regular day. So, daming tao. Busy day pa. We are expecting na madaming tao ngayon sa Pansol kasi Valentine's bukas. No? Siguro maybe maraming pupunta. No? Families will go there to enjoy Valentine's Day. So, malamang traffic sa Manila Road. Doon lang naman yun. Lagi. Saka sa Laguna. Notorious din ang Laguna. So, pagas tayo sa Shell, unang gas station from here. will be Shell. Pagkasay konti, 1.5. It should be enough for the whole trip. So I'll try to keep this video shorter than the previous trip video. Total, isang lugar lang ang mapupuntahan natin, hindi multiple, no? Another trip for you guys. So this is where the V8 Tribes Superhighway SLEX. No? Nung una ko rin nakuha tong kotse, dito ko rin unang nadala to. Out of town. SLEX kami no. Tagaytay din. Unang trip namin with this car. As far as I can remember. Kanyang goods ata. So, okay nung biyahe natin. Nagtago na yung araw finally. It's 30 degrees. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Stop over tayo sa Shell here para magpagas ng konti. 1.5 lang, kaya na yan. Dahil malapit lang naman yung Pansol. No? Again, it's a beautiful place. Kilalang kilala, very iconic. Saan tayo pumupunta dyan pag gusto mag-swimming with the family. Dami ng resort dyan, kaya grabe din ang traffic. No? Pero itong pupuntahan natin yung Forbes, maganda. Bagong renovate, daming rooms, tapos maganda yung pool, malaki. Eh, syempre, masarap kumain. Hello, Shell. Daming kainan dito, no? Okay, may Cafe France nga. Pagas lang tayo. The power, of course. Siyempre, madaming bumabiyahe. Valentine's. In its natural habitat, gasoline station. Siyempre, V8 yan, 4.6 yan. Comparing with the diesel, siyempre mas malakas ang konti ito. Pero basta biyahe, sulit lang. Tahimik engine, no? Hindi mo nga naririnig eh. Minsan nga, akala ko naka-open. Merienda break. So, half tank. 1.5 from kanina. Sakto na yan. So, pancake ulit tayo. Dahil nagutom. Ditong station, marami talagang kumakain. Nag-stop over. Dahil there's quite a few restaurants and it's big. So, nakapark tayo where there's a shade. Para di mainit mamaya. Hindi ko pa napalinisan since our last trip. Dire-diretso. As I told you, magagamit natin to this year. And next na gagawin ko dito is yung tint muna. Unahin ko. Kasi pa-summer na, meron tayong Zambales trip na nakakasa. No? That will happen on March. Pancake house, the tacos, and the fried chicken. I love it so much. Dito. Solid talaga. We are here, back on the same spot. Gising na naman, oh. Botsog ka raw. Dami nagsabi, botsog ka raw, ah, bunso. Botsog talaga yan, busog na busog. Kaya cute na cute. Taba. Sarap titigan. So, 6 months. 6 months ata ito eh. So, medyo hindi pa nakakaintindi, no? Pero pwede nang bitbitin sa mga trip. Cute na cute. So, second pancake na to. Here, on the same spot.
Wow, favorite niya.
Okay time. At ito. Ito, binabalikan natin dyan. Sa tacos.
Ano yan?
Hot sauce. Gusto mo?
Taco, sir. Best taco yung tonto.
I want the cheese!
Ayan, binabalikan natin.
Daddy, can I have the cheese? Can I...
Akin yung cheese eh. Ba't na nakawin mo yung cheese?
Ay, nag-wash.
Yan, binabalikan natin dyan. Sa
Ito na lang
tacos.
mag-wipes na lang.
Ito, something new. Blueberry toast. Bago. Mukhang masarap. Ano ka, sabing the macaroni. Siyempre, pancake will not be complete without their chicken. Ayos. Thank you, Pancake House. Never disappoints. Pag gutom, mura na, masarap pa. So, on our way back to the car. At dire-diretso na. Malapit na lang yan. First start for you. Nagkatabing 300. Tignan mo gano'ng kaliit ang 300 LC. Next to the big boy. Yeah. First start. Ulit. Let's go. Alright, back on the road. 440. 25 kilometers, dire-diretso. Dulo, kanan sa kanan sa dulo yan. Ang bilis na lang yan. 40 kilometers, we're there depending on the traffic situation. And family at the back, comfortably. The back, wala pa traffic. Turbina exit. Almost 3 kilometers away. Yan. Malapit na tayo sa bundok. You can see nice scenery, walang traffic, SLEX, thank you. Maganda ang biyahe so far. I don't know pagdating sa Laguna. So, what's the situation? Thank you, Green. So far, okay ang biyahe. Hindi ko alam kung may load. Alam ko may load. Hindi ako nagpa-load. I forgot. Pero alam ko meron pa yan. Daming kotse here in Turbina. Lahat nag-exit dito. Malago na kasi ito. Let's see kung may laman. 1.4 pa. Dati pa. 1.4. Wala ata yung index na yung easy trip. O yung isang RFID. So, as expected dito, laging traffic dito. Ito rin maganda rito sa kotseng to. Ever since yung trip natin nung last Tagaytay until now, wala akong nakikita sa daan. Nakatulad ng E150 or any other E150 on the road. Bihirang-bihira na. So it's becoming rarer and rarer. So maganda. Ito lang yung meron. And even today, it's still the Artista Band. Ito ang naunang Artista Band. So this is the first hurdle in Maharlika Highway. Traffic talaga lagi dito. Hanggang Bukal Bypass. Maglaleft ka kasi doon sa Bukal. Papuntang Manila Road, which is the second hurdle, the Manila Road. Yung mismong pansol na yun. Tapos puro resort na kasi yun. Maliit daan, and then of course, dami ng sasakyan. Parami ang sasakyan. And the roads are not widening. That's why it's traffic. Marami nag-drive na. So, ano ba? It's 5:20. Siguro mga 6. Doon na tayo ng 6 siguro. Mga traffic, oh. Mandulo. Lapit talaga nito eh. Maharlika. Hell. Alright. Turning left to Bukal Bypass. Ayan ito. Wala naman dito. Diretso na to. Pababa. Sa Manila Road. Yun. Doon tayo kabit mamaya. Pero okay na yun. Bearable na yun. Kasi malapit na tayo doon. So mas malala yung going to Manila. From here, Maharlika. Hanggang dito umabot. Konting twisties, pababa. And our right is dun. Laguna Lake. Medyo maganda na scenery dito. Tapos yung Mount Makiling, yan ang view natin dun sa bahay. So we are using number 2 again as our gear kasi bababa tayo and we don't want to burn out our brakes. Surprisingly, malakas ang brakes ng E150 compared sa LC200, di ba? Ang LC200, medyo mahina ang brakes, pero ito solid, confident ka, malakas. So the Americans, no? Drive and dito banda, maganda na ang daan. Maraming kainan. So, lapit na tayo sa Manila Road. So, nasa baba na tayo and the mountain is near. That's why bumabagsak na ang temperature. 27. So, lumalabig na. Gas check. Ayan, nabawasan na ng konti from half. Pero pag right natin sa Macdo, Manila Road na. Yun na yun, dire-diretso na. Okay, welcome to the notorious Manila Road. Yan, puro resort na dito. Mamili na kayo, kaliwat kanan. Pero yung sa atin maganda kasi it's inside the village. So this medyo secluded ng konti. Tapos yung spot ng resort, dulo, na kanto. Kanto siya. So, wala kang katabi masyado. Talagang secluded din yung mismong place. Kaya, maganda-ganda. Medyo private ng konti. Kasi dito, yan. tabi-tabi na yan. Mamili na kayo. Kaya nga traffic eh. So, doon ko na kayo balikan pagdating natin para hindi umaba ang vlog. Okay, turning left. Wala naman masyadong traffic ngayon. Manila Road. Sa bungad lang. So, left tayo dyan. Eh, dyan. Village na kasi ito. Indigo. Pangalan yan. Ayun, malalim. Tsaka malalaki yung lot. So, hindi kayo dikit-dikit. Which is very important. Yan yung landmark. So, for you to go left. Ito na. Dire-diretso. So, how many? It's been multiple time we've been there. Ganda naman kasi. Diba? Ayan. So, less than half. Nabawasan ng konti yung gas. Marami pa. Susuki na to dito. So, 150 na to. Ayan. Pili na kayo dyan. So, maganda bahay eh. Malalaking bahay. Mga mansyon. Kaya maganda dito sa area na to. We landed. Almost 6 or quarter. Ito, Forbes Laguna. Siyempre, ilagay natin yung link sa utol ni Mrs. to. Eh, itong isa, Bel Air, dalawa yan. So, dulo siya kaya maganda. Corner lot. Ito, ginagawa lang dati. Ngayon, buo na. Ganda lang. Here's the Everest. Hindi na sa atin yan. Kapatid na ni Mrs. ang gumagamit. Still shiny. Thank you, Kyle. Oh, dito tayo ngayon. Ayun o, corner lot. Kaya maganda. So, here's the van. Pogi. Ikaw lang merong ganyan. Alright, settle in lang kami. Ayan, malaki kasi ito. Merong conference room here. So, kung office kayo, kailangan ng presentation here, games here. Dito. Ganda eh, nice pala nila. Dati hindi ganito yung tsura nito. So, may stage. And, syempre, maganda rito is yung pool, mahaba. We have a big pool here. Ayan, malaki yung pool. Tapos yung hot spring, andun, yung maliit. This is the cold one. Yun yung maliit. Ay, yun yung mainit. Or the thermal. Dito yung hot spring. Kung so mainit, God bless you. Yan ang may-ari ng Everest. Kapatid din Mrs. Then, multiple rooms upstairs. Sobrang dami niyan. Hindi ko alam ilan. So, more than 30 packs kasha ata dito. And, PWD. If you have a PWD, dito. May room dito sa baba. Pwede. Tapos, puro room sa taas. Dami room dun. Ayan. Pwede kayong magluto here. Ayan. So, pwede kayong magluto. Or meron din silang food kung gusto nyo. Para hindi na kayo magluluto. Sila na bahala sa inyo. Avail na lang. No? So, that's it. Ganyan yung itsura. Here. In Forbes, capital. Oh, ano? First swimming mo. Ah. Mag-first swimming to eh. Oh. Objective number 1. Mag-swimming ang bunso. First time here. Sa hot spring. So, let me settle in. And, balikan ko kayo later. Tapos bukas wala na. Kasi dito lang naman kami, no? Siguro a bit of clips lang konti para hindi umaba ang video natin. So, 8:30 in the evening. Tapos na mag-swimming yung mga bata. They're done swimming. We're having some beers. Siyempre. And it's dinner time. Some of you are requesting dinner. Anong kinakain natin ito? For tonight, wings, sweet and sour fish, vegetable. Here's Richie. He owns the place.
Oh.
Thank you.
Nice to have my brother-in-law here.
And Taiwanese sausage. Yan, barbecue. Pwede kayo mag-barbecue doon sa taas. Again, as I've said, you can cook here. Or they can cook for you. Like what they are doing. So, that's it for tonight. Balihan ko kayo bukas. Alright, good morning. So it's the following morning. Anong oras na ba? Well, I guess time doesn't really matter here. Umaambo ng konti. 10 o'clock ata in the morning. And the kids are swimming. Our objective has been met. Si Bunso. First swimming. Oh, saya-saya niya oh. First swimming. Again, this is the thermal pool. Ito yung mainit. This is the volcanic water. Doon yung malamig na natural. Oh. Ayan. Saya-saya. Oh, ayan. First time niya, oh. Oh. First time mag-swimming niya, oh. Oh. Dito, tingin. Ala. Saya mo, ah. Oh. Oh, ayan. Siyempre, si Annie kakagabi pa, walang tigil. So, ito yung pinunta natin dito actually. This one, yun lang. So, the whole day, the plan is, walang plan. Swimming, kain. Inom, tulog. No? Okay. 5 o'clock. Umuulan. Hindi natatapos ang ulan. Pabugso-bugso. Here is the place. Of course, I'll show you the best view of the house. Basa kasi. Akyat tayo sa may veranda. Or gazebo, whatever. Porch. So this is the stairs going to the rooms. Taas lang. Our room is there. So ditong floor kasi is the best view of Mount Makiling. At dito masarap tumambay paghapon. Dito masarap uminom paghapon. Kaya magluto, yun. Kita mo yung bundok, Mount Makiling. And she's quite foggy. Kasi medyo numaambon. Kanina pang umaga. Ngayon lang nawawala. No? So this is the best part of the house. Here. Kaya magluto here. Ihaw-ihaw. Yan. Tapos, a kitchen here. Everything you need is here. Kaya very comfortable. Actually, kayo na pa ako walang ginagawa. Literal, tatambay ka lang dito sa bahay, no? But as you can see, beautiful. No? Yung background mo. And this one, the Bel Air, sa kanila rin yan. So, dalawa. Pero this one is under renovation. Of course, to improve. So, mamili kayo. Mas nauna yan. Mas bago to. The A150 is there. Yan lang. Of course, I need to share this to you. Kasi maganda ang view natin. At kayo ko pa tinatapos yung ulan. Puti yung minto. Yan. Alright. So bukas, uwi na tayo. Bukas ko na ibalikan to keep the video short. Baka umaba na naman. Sorry. So, see you tomorrow. Right, 2 o'clock, pauwi na. Thank you, Forbes Capital. Nagka-aberya kami. The rubber is falling. See? So, kailangan natin pagawa to. So, I think Fox. I need you, Fox. Or Agila. I don't know. Let me research about it. Pero yun lang naman. Actually, matagal na yan natanggal. Pero ngayon, parang napuruhan siya. No? It's this one. So anyway, pauwi na tayo. Here is the situation. Again. Why you are buying this car? It's because of the space inside. First start muna. First start. For all of us. Gas check. Teka, fix the things pa. Okay, so we are rolling back home. Dami pang gas, konti lang nabawas. Since we arrived here, below half ng konti. When we left Manila, nasa saktong half siya. So that's Forbes Laguna for you. Very nice place, very private. So it's more on Anika. Walang tinapong oras. Laro, swimming. Yeah. For 2 days, yan ang ginagawa niya. So it's more for her, no, this trip. Para, it's a little get together. para yung magpipinsan, yung mga sinabi ko, magkita-kita dahil may kanya-kanyang buhay na yung mga kapatid ni Mrs. So it's important na nilalabas sila para magkita-kita minsan-minsan. So the way back Mount Makiling, cloudy na naman. Right to Manila Road, sana hindi masyadong traffic, dyan lang naman yan. All the way to McDonald's and pabalik ng Bukal na daan, the bypass road. No? So, turning right here on our way back. Diretso lang naman yan. Right. Bago rin. An arcade. Laki oh. Dati wala yan oh. So, it's a progressing town. Okay no? Dami nakakasing tao eh. Dami na pumupunta. So, it's a destination place. So far, traffic is good. So, balikan ko na lang kayo later. I'll try to keep this video shorter. Nice, walang traffic. McDonald's, yan na. Delete na tayo, dire-diretso ng balik ng bypass. So, nabadal ako dun. Sa weather strip na yun na nalalaglag. Medyo nakakainis. So, siguro sa Agila. Dalhin ko sa Agila. Alam ko kaya nila yan. Hassle lang. The car is falling apart because it is old. First traffic sa taas, bypass road. So nung Friday, ang haba nito hanggang dulo. I'm not sure today, Sunday. Huwag naman sana. Then sa pamaharlika, sana natasbad nung Friday. At nakasama si Maharlika, medyo gumagalaw naman. Okay, dire-diretso na tong SLEX. Situation na top up. Kaya maya tulog na yan si Anika. Dahil sagad na sagad. Okay. SLEX Drive 230 ang walk. Sunday Drive is one of the best drives. Nakakamto na si Anika. Alright. On our way home. Puro mga 3:30, nasa bahay na tayo. Pero diretso lang naman. So, the ride of this car never fails. Kasi gasolina, sobrang smooth, tulog. Laging tulog yan. Tuwing pauwi kami, ganyan ang sitwasyon niya. Tulog. Tulog. Talaga makakatulog ka sa likod. Again, because of the space, and the smooth engine dahil gas V8, maganda ang synchronization ng cylinders V8, smooth na smooth. As I told you, minsan nga akala ko hindi nakastart yung kotse pag naka-idle, sobrang tahimik. Yun ang maganda sa V8 na gasoline, smooth talaga, hindi mo mararamdaman yung vibration ng engine sa loob. Alright, lapit na tayo sa C5. May bagong warning light. Nagwa-warn battery, lumalabas, battery sign, tumutunog. It might be a weak battery kasi matagal na ang battery yan. Might be a weak battery dahil ilang years na rin ang battery nito, hindi ko pa napapalitan. 4 years if I can remember. Tapos hindi ko pa siya ginagamit na madalas. Actually maganda yan, nagkasabi siya para aware ka. Yung ibang kotse kasi bigla na lang mamamatay. Although it's charging well, taas naman yung charge dun sa meter, pero first time nag-pop. Buti malapit na tayo, so we might need to replace the battery. Pandemic pa nun yung pinalitan ko yan, sobrang tagal na. Landed saktong 3:30. Gas check, lagpas pa ng 1 port. Nawala na yung battery sign, it warned me 2 times. First time na nag-warn ng battery niyan. So, baka we might have a weak battery already. So, nagpapalambing. Yung sa 150 nagpapalambing lately. Yung brakes, tapos ngayon yung goma na nakakainis to. Nalaglag na naman. So, we need to fix this.
May bahay na tayo ba?
Nakakainis talaga. Anyway, makapapagawa natin. But, everything else, okay naman. Arrive home safe with all the luggage. That's what you're paying for, no? So, Medyo nawindang ako dun sa rubber, nakakainis. Tsaka yung sa battery, sumingit pa. So that's the trip. So kung may anak kayo, labas yung mga anak nyo. That's very important. While they're young, habang sumasama. Because one day, hindi na sasama yan. So thank you for watching. And please do subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Goodbye from the E150.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.